The HP Laserjet 0xb30581b9 error code indicates a problem with the printer's formatter. This issue can be caused by a faulty formatter. To fix this error, several solutions can be applied. First, resetting the printer may resolve the issue. This involves turning off the printer, unplugging the power cord from both the printer and the wall outlet, waiting 60 seconds, and then reconnecting the power cord. Next, turn on the printer while holding the resume button until the attention lights turn on. Then release the button and allow the printer's attention and ready lights to cycle through the factory reset process. After completing the reset, check to see if the error persists. If the error remains, replacing the formatter may be necessary. This requires powering off the printer, disconnecting the power cord, loosening the screws that secure the USB and Ethernet panel, removing the panel, unscrewing the formatter, and replacing it with a new unit. Once the new formatter is in place, secure it with the provided screws. Slide the panel back into its designated slot, and screw it in place. Finally, restore power to the printer and test it to ensure the error has been resolved. It is essential to note that the process for replacing the formatter can vary depending on the specific printer model, so consulting a technician may be necessary.